Hey, how's it going? So I have one box, my first box of 2020 Topps Chrome Update Sapphire. I'm going to rip into this right now. As y'all know, if you watch my channel, I do like me some Sapphire. The update came out recently, a bit more affordable than the normal Topps Chrome Sapphire. So decided to go for this. Nothing else in there. Let's see what I get here. Haven't seen a whole lot of this ripped, or I don't think I've seen much other than some group breaks I've been in. So yeah, look for autographs and 1/1 super refractors. There are the odds. Let's go ahead and rip into these right now. Hopefully I get something cool. Alright, I see something flipped here, so I think I might have an auto. It's also bent. Very bent. It's curving out there. So Cano, Home Run Derby. Brad Miller. Kenyon Middleton, and that fourth card is Tyrone Taylor, rookie. Cool. Nice. Put this over here. All right. Sweet. Rowdy Tellez, Michael Hermosillo, Houston, we have liftoff. Philip Deal, or Dial, not sure. Joey Menez. Shower Time, Nicole Fulmer, Randy Arozarena, rookie. So that's cool. Nice. Dude just can't stop hitting home runs postseason. Chris Owings. Devin Williams, Sean Poppin, it's poppin', Domingo Santana. 3 packs left. Brad Peacock, Craig Kimbrell, active leaders, Austin Pruitt, Starling Marte. 2 packs left. This one has the parallel, looks like. Nestor Cortez. It's green. Omar Narvaez. Miguel Cabrera, active leaders, and a green. Diego Castillo. Looks really cool on camera. Dang, thing's lit up. Green sapphire. Ooh. Oh, I thought that said Soto on the back, not Vato. Austin Allen. Junior Guerra. Jan Lopez and Joey Votto All-Star Game. Cool. So nothing crazy. Diego Castillo, Rays. Oh, did get a nice Randy Arozarena, rookie. And then the expected, unexpected auto of Tyrone Taylor. So there you go. Thanks for watching. That is my first box of Topps Chrome Update 2020. We'll see if I ever get any more. I always like Sapphire. So thanks for watching. Catch y'all later. Peace.